Roger, are we on? Is this thing rolling? Are we rolling this Welcome back for some more ukulele. And you better stick around because I'm going to be teaching you some serious because the secrets will become clear later. We have to bear something in mind that when we play A minor and F major and indeed D minor, we have the double A problem. Here is the double A problem for you. We've got two A's, and here's D minor. And it's not gonna sound good, okay? So we have to do something a little special. We've got to start using some extensions. Now the easiest way to use your extensions in these chords is to use your pinky. You pop your pinky down on C for all three chords. So F plus pinky, we get a higher C. It's the same C here, but it's an octave higher. And if you don't know what an octave is, we can live with that, okay? Then, what we're gonna do, take A minor, 2 fingers down, pop your pinky down on C, and then we're going to have ourselves a wonderful A minor chord with the octave C above, okay? With the octave C above. Okay, so we've got ourselves a beautiful little chord there, a beautiful little chord. And then we're going to take our D minor, and we put our C down at the top, okay? And then we have this beautiful D minor 7 chord. And the thing about the D minor 7 chord is it's beautiful before G7. Whatever you do, put it before G7, okay? It's gonna sound beautiful. It's gonna sound beautiful, okay? Beautiful. Beautiful. And this is still the tip of the iceberg, baby. The tip of the iceberg, okay? If you have enjoyed this tutorial, hit the thumb. Hit the thumb. Hit the thumb. Hit the thumb. Until we meet again.